Hi, I'm Julie Good-Kruger, and I'm the owner of Inglenook Tile Design. Welcome to my home office. We're in Quarryville, Pennsylvania, which is in southern Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. This is more well known as Amish country. My house was built in the late 1700s, 1777 actually, as a hemp mill. And in 1798 or 99, it was made a woolen mill. They added to it, made it larger, and brought in equipment to do the woolen cloth. Hemp was woven here for ship sails in the Philadelphia shipbuilding industry, and also to cover the prairie schooners that went west. They also built Conestoga wagons. There were many things made at this mill. That was an overshot wheel in the back that ran from a mill course from a dam up the stream. Now the dam is gone and there's a waterfall beside the building, but this building has a long and varied history. In its day, it was one of the busiest spots in this part of southern Lancaster County. It was a ruin when we bought it. It was falling down and condemned. And we gutted it, put it back together, and used these tiles in many places in our own home. So we started making these tiles for the front hall. That was the original inspiration. My daughter and I saw a brick floor at Wright's Ferry Mansion in Columbia, Pennsylvania on the tour of history. And I knew that's what I wanted in my own 18th century woolen mill. But unfortunately, everything that I saw on the market that were concrete, they looked cheap, and the tiles that were cut were too fragile, and we had services underneath the floor, so I couldn't use a full brick. And I decided finally to just make them myself. I had a background in ceramics, and I knew how to do that, so I began making the tiles in molds in my own front hall. And then it spread to other parts of the house. We did them on the inside of our dining room fireplace, and we built fires on them all the time. They're near the wood stove in the family room. They are outside on some terraces. They're in the mud room, they're in the bathroom, and also in a powder room. And my most recent project will be the inside of the master bathroom shower. This is Clover, my assistant. We are here on our back terrace. Years ago, my husband and I used a lot of tiles that were damaged. They were broken, they were damaged. For some reason or another, we couldn't sell them. And so we ended up using them on our own back terrace. They've been here for years, and I actually never sealed them, and I only power wash them maybe once a year. And we've had many family get-togethers here. We've had weddings, we've had dances and parties, and the tiles have held up well, and we've loved them. It's been one of the great projects of my life to turn this building from a ruined, condemned building with a front wall coming down and windows knocked out into the building that it is now.